अपने माता पिता को देखने जाओ। Go to see your parents. Go to see your parents. गरीबों की मदद करो। Help the poor. Help the poor. इस लड़की को यहाँ काम करने दो। Let this girl work here. Let this girl work here. नीले पेन से मत लिखिए। Don't write with a blue pen. Don't write with a blue pen. यहाँ से चले जाओ। Go away from here. Go away from here. इस कार से बाहर निकल जाओ। Get out of this car. Get out of this car. जल्दी ठीक हो जाइए। Get well soon. Get well soon. मुद्दे पर आइए। Come to the point. Come to the point. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो खत्म ना हो। Nothing is immortal. Nothing is immortal. आप मुझे उसके खिलाफ मत भड़काइए। Don't provoke me against him. Don't provoke me against him. उसकी आँखों से आंसू टपक रहे थे। The tears were trickling from his eyes. The tears were trickling from his eyes. अपने दोस्तों से बात करो। Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. किसी दोस्त को मत छोड़ो। Don't leave any friend. Don't leave any friend. मेरे बारे में सोचो। Think about me. Think about me. मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताने दो। Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. इस परेशानी का हल निकालो। Find out the solution of this problem. Find out the solution of this problem. मुझे देखने दो। Let me see. Let me see. हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो। Always be punctual. Always be punctual. उसे ढूंढने दो। Let him find out or let him search. अपनी कार यहाँ खड़ी मत करो। Don't park your car here. Don't park your car here. उसे ये मत करने दो। Don't let him do this or let him not do this. ये कोई और है। This is someone else. This is someone else. ये कुछ और है। This is something else. This is something else. तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? Who is there behind you? मैं तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था। I was standing in front of you. I was standing in front of you. वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं। We all are with you. We all are with you. For more videos, do subscribe, press the bell icon, and thanks for watching.